Oh, I wish I could find a date. All of my friends are going out to dinner, except for me. But I'm always going to be forever alone. Wait a minute. What if I use a dating app? Favorite food, pizza. Favorite hobby, taking long walks and working out. Favorite color, blue, green, purple. He's so handsome. I definitely want to say hi to him. I just hope he responds. Oh my gosh, he responded and he wants to go on a date with me? He is so dreamy. Yay! I'm going on a date with the cutest guy on the planet. Oh my gosh, he's calling.
Hey!
Oh, hi?
So we're hanging out.
Yeah, what time? Should we, hang out today?
Sure, that could work.
Where do you want to go?
You're done. My place is a wreck.
Oh, okay. You can come over anytime you want.
Thanks.
It's on Rosewood Street Avenue.
Thank you. Alright, I'll see you there then.
Yep, bye. Dude? Oh my gosh, what am I gonna wear? I can't believe I'm going on a date with him. He's coming to my house. I better clean up, but first I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear. This! He's going to love this. I cannot wait. La da, la da, 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 da da da, doody, woohoo, la la, la da,
Yay!
He's here!
Hey!
Hey. Well, do you want to sit before we eat?
Sure.
Okay.
So, what are your hobbies?
Well, I like to knit. Here, come sit on the couch.
Oh, thanks. So, I guess we should be asking each other questions on a date.
I guess. So, I saw that your favorite hobby is working out and going on long walks.
I know, I love that. Do you have favorite hobbies?
Yeah, I like to knit. Well, do you want to eat?
Sure. You know, you didn't really have to get so ready. You look so overdressed.
Well, I guess I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah, you look really pretty though.
Thanks.
So, I guess, I'll just take a little snack. I love you so much.
We even had our own little baby boy.
I know. It's the happiest day of our lives.
It is for me also.
What are we gonna name him?
Charlie.
I love that name. Well,
I
Charlie,
love you.
welcome to the Ice Age.